Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and the review of the Zamkol Bluetooth speaker with 24 watts. This is the new version of 2021, model type is ZK606. There has been an old one, so this is the improved version. It comes with Bluetooth wireless deep bass and loud sound and 15 hours playtime, IPX6 water protection. TWS means true wireless speaker that you can use two speakers attached to one device and have much better quality. Built-in microphone, portable Bluetooth speaker for home and outdoor. It's listed currently for around $50 on Amazon, so it could be a real good value because some of these speakers with good quality can easily be $100. So for half of the price, if you get same thing, that would be awesome. Here's the packaging, some description also here in the back. It comes nicely sealed so that you know that you get a new item. So let's open and see what we get. So here's what we get in the packaging. Really nice heavy speaker. We'll look at that later. Here's the instructions manual if you need that. Comes in different languages, 6 pages of English. I'm going to show you that pretty quickly if you're interested into that. Sometimes it can be helpful to make a better buy decision, or if you bought used or you just lost the instructions. Maybe there's something, especially with TWS, can be difficult sometimes to connect or disconnect or to pair or repair those things. With Bluetooth, it can always be helpful to have the instruction manual. I think we are already done here. Then we get this information regarding their website. Also really good that they have the website. If you need more information, then micro USB charging cable, a hook to attach and also a strap to attach, and then 3.5mm audio cable. That's it. So you see, you get everything, and here's the speaker, rock solid, really nice thing. Here we have this soft rubber feet on the whole length. You can put it here. It has really nice stand, looks really nice, beautiful. Is the name here. We have even here some protection. Probably can also put it here. You can see it has also really nice stand here. Probably not so much on this side. So you have two options. You can have it in the upright position or laying flat. Two really good solutions, I would say. And then here the openings nicely protected. You can see it has really nice thick cover. Here we have the 3.5mm jack and the micro USB cable to charge, and I highly recommend to give it a full charge before you're using it for the first time, and this is what I'm going to do, and then I'll let you know how this works. So I've already plugged here in the cable. What's good here on this side, we have some kind of light indication and see if it's charging or if it's already fully charged, or also some kind of indication here, I think, when we see that the battery is low. So we have a lot of possibilities. So let's turn it on. We can also use it while charging. Okay, already quite some impressive sound. Let's go to the Bluetooth setting and pair new device. So we have already ZK606, and let's see how easy it is to pair. Yeah, give authorization here, and we have it already, and we see the battery level here. So there's no way you can see the battery indicator here. If you want to check the battery level, you'll see that here. It comes with 70% pre-charge, which is a really good level when we get it from the factory. So that was super easy. Also during the pairing process, you have different colors here, like blinking, flashing, something like that, which could help you in case you have problems while pairing, but I don't see any problems so far. I'm going to play something now. So I found some nice free, royalty-free music for you, which we can use to play here. Pain Shipwreck featuring Maya Whale. So let's go and play the thing and see what this speaker does. And wow, yeah, that's impressive. That's not bad. We can turn up and down the volume directly here. it's pretty good protected, I would say. There's no way, like when you move the thing around, that you just touch and do something just by accident, nothing will happen. You can even hold this thing here solid. Yeah, it's a nice thing. You can hold it like this, or you can have it like standing here or really down. And there's definitely some really impressive bass sound here when we increase this here. Yeah, the whole thing is shaking, but still very, very stable. Yeah, that's rock solid. I hope you can still understand me. Yeah, turn down the volume a little bit. The only interruption which you will get is when you reach the highest or probably the lowest audio level. But the bass sound is really impressive. The whole thing is really, really shaking, and there is absolutely no problem to hear. It's still rock solid. And if you think it's not loud enough, that's probably just because of the device where you're playing on. You have to make sure that you also increase the volume here. Yeah, absolutely impressive sound, and we can go to the next track or like previous track, can't remember, probably this is the next track here. When we long press, and when we long press here, it will go back to the last track. Very, very easy, and we can start and stop this thing here easily, control the YouTube or whatever you want to control. And what's important, during phone call you can press, short press here to take the call, and short press again to hang up the call. Yeah, I would say definitely a very, very impressive speaker. I haven't had such a thing. I have been using a similar one which was definitely not so impressive, especially regarding a bass sound. Bass sound is absolutely phenomenal here. And yeah, from my side, definitely full recommendation on that, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.